So we've got to go to the gas station to fill up some gas.
Yeah, get
What's going on?
What do you mean by who's going out? Who is
Going
driving?
out to fill it.
Who's driving? He's doing his job. Smile, boy, smile. It's warm outside here. Why are you not smiling?
This is London, Ontario.
And this is a snow blizzard. Today, we're going to be doing Uber Eats for 12 hours. I don't have 12 fingers. 12 hours. But yeah.
Well, the challenge is whoever tips us the most is going to determine how much we're going to spend on our dinner.
Yeah.
So come along with us on this, bro.
If only he knows what I have planned for him today. But yeah, stay tuned. Woo! 2:30, guys.
Yeah, so it's 2:30 and we're about to start. So 12 hours from now, we'll know
If we're eating this night or not. Alright, guys, wish us luck.
first order just came in. So let's see.
So yeah, let's
Oh
go
shit,
pick up
we
the
can't show names. But
Yeah. Let's go pick up the food. And off we go. Did the life of just two black guys. Our body was not built for this weather.
So
I was supposed to be in some beach, some island, just relaxing. Take me back to Mauritius.
Canadian weather
Yeah.
made me start contemplating how people can actually survive here.
Girls, come and fix your nails as S&H Beauty Nails. Free promo. Architects in the house.
Tony,
Turn on the wiper. Explain to me why this building has up, down, left, right. See how the building as if it wants to fall, but they made mistake in the one side is left, one side is right. Eh? This place. Inside here?
it's not.
Oh, I think you see the burger. Just have to turn, make a U-turn.
It's a happy young cousin.
Yeah. Can we park here? I think we can, yeah? God damn! That one. I did see you. Yeah.
Still got one.
Okay, we have two pickups. So. Almost at pickup location 2. This is definitely going to be a long 12 hours. Guys, I'm already sleeping. It's back, guys. Back with the food. Yeah, so we're going to go deliver it now. We're gonna go deliver 15 minutes drive. I think they calculated the snow because I don't know where we're going to that 15 minutes, but yeah. Yeah, this is where we should go ice skate on this river now, yeah? Yeah, sure. Guys, comment if you want to see us ice skating on the river. Oh, sorry, lake, like the city boys. Like the city boys call it, lake, not river. 6 minutes away from our first delivery. Imagine doing Uber Eats for like your full-time job every day, 8 hours, Monday to Friday. How do you think it will feel?
I think you're just depressed. That's why you're in this.
Depression for 8 hours.
Why are you in the car for 8 hours by yourself? Well, I feel like for some people that
are comfortable being by themselves and would like it, but they would need to keep themselves engaged.
Engaged. True. Well, if it was like a side hustle kind of thing, yeah, definitely.
Side hustle, definitely,
But not full-time job. I think that's something that's probably worse than sitting in an office for 8 hours. Speed racers, come on! Yes, sir!
Winter times.
Come on! Probably not there yet. But this feels like forever. Be using us to do, I don't know what
Don't worry, in safe hands. NASCAR driver.
What kind of route?
From, I just need stop always, so.
Oh! That dog is so cute. You should get a dog. What do you think, guys? What breed of dog should we get? Chihuahua?
I've always fucked with this. Them small dogs, but they're too loud. That's my problem.
True. Maybe we should get the husky. Huskies, okay. Those, what color is that?
Fuck around
Grey
and
and white ones.
fuck around and get one that's aggressive. That matches our energy. Simple.
Yeah, they're very calm. Yeah. But we're here 1 minute away. Can't tell you this is address, so I don't come and check. Hello. First delivery check. Somebody made a snowman. Do you wanna build a snowman? Cute. Guys, my snowman is going to be better than that. That looks cool! They totally just ate my guy by the way.
They did not. Are you mad? Are they mad? They did not.
4 minutes away from. I just saw the thing turn from 3 to 4 minutes. Back to 4 minutes away from. Yes, sir. I'm happy when I see people speeding like this. That's the spirit.
Feels like I'm driving in Nigeria.
Bro, like we mod, yeah?
That is snow.
I was telling this person yesterday, it was feeling like as if it's mud that you're inside and you cannot. All those thick muds that used to make the car go there. Do you know the key? Do you know the key to drive inside this kind of muds? Don't remove your leg from accelerate.
True.
That's the key. Because the moment you do, you're just going to get stuck. Like once you enter, just keep going. Like at that speed, don't increase, don't reduce, just keep going at that speed. If not, the moment you
But
stop.
then for that to work, you have to have good shock.
Open the door. While I go deliver some food. Oh my god. What? I should have won boots. This person is probably open food. I'm just gonna keep this here. I believe. I know why the person is probably ordering food. Back to my right. How does it feel?
Let's go.
Oh, we got another order, so we're going to go pick it up. It's a hard knock life.
Why haven't you started watching One Piece?
Please, can you leave me alone? By the way, I have started. I'm just not as fast as you, because that's the only thing you watch. I am. In fact, let me turn this camera. I am watching a lot of shows. I had to finish Attack on Titans. I had to first finish Boruto. I had to finish Attack on Titans. Now I'm watching Hero Academia. I'm also watching like Blacklist on Netflix. I don't know if I should go back to watching Young Sheldon. I finished it at some point. He only watches One Piece. That's the only thing of his life.
That's not all I watch.
Oh yeah, and I recently. So I saw on somebody's story. Do you remember Super Strikers?
Yeah.
I saw on somebody's story. So now all I do now is go on YouTube. Like they actually have the compilations on YouTube. So I just go on YouTube.
Of the comics?
Yeah, of like the show Super Strikers.
With the show or the comic?
The comic had a show.
Yeah, the comic had a show, but I love
the comic was better definitely, but it had a show. So all I do now is just whenever I'm free at work, I just watch that.
Actually, I'll check that out.
Yeah.
I'm watching Nigerian podcast.
I think the only thing I'm glad about is the fact that I don't have to go into snow right to work. Our next pickup is at Gosen Sushi. Gojen. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Gosen Sushi. Is the snow covering your eyes?
Yes, it is.
Well, finally. Well, this felt longer than other deliveries we've done. Risking our lives.
Most dangerous video on the internet right now. This video should be signed to that should be tied to that song. Ski.
That's the only part of the song we know by the way. Whenever I play the song, this guy looking at me all sauce. What's this guy's name? Oh, Daphne. Ah, King.
Let's give me a phone.
Sorry.
Daphne?
Yeah,
Daphne.
Daphne.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, your pen, yeah. Okay, good.
Thank you.
Welcome. The pin.
4100.
4100. There you go. Alright, thank you. Have a good one. Bro, pronounce that name. Pronounce that name.
Daphne.
I said Daphne.
What are you guys saying?
Blood must have thought I was mad. He just looked at me all sorts. I thought it was like a female name or something.
But that's a female name. Did you not watch Scooby-Doo?
Yeah, exactly. So I was right. So it's Daphne.
What Daphne?
Daphne, yeah.
Daphne.
That's your business. Daphne.
Guys, how do you guys pronounce what do you call it? Daphne.
No, say it. D-A-P-H-Y-N-E, ba?
Oh no, we can't say it. D-A-P-H-N-E. Daphne.
It's Daphne. Oh, this guy's talking about
The traitors.
yeah, don't kill us in the process. Chipotle. We got our next delivery, guys. We're heading out. Found him. Happiness. To be honest, anybody working in this weather, they should pay the best in times too.
They should.
But no, they are their ways. They will even cut your pay the more.
This is the weather when people actually like work actually tells you to go back home because they're trying to make sure you get home safe.
Get home safe. True. But you don't work, you don't chop.
The boys are out here who will eat superheroes.
Yes, sir. Oh, we're 5 minutes away. It's actually not that far. Yay!
To be in the town.
Nobody is outside. Everybody's in their house and they're hungry. That's why they should tip us well. It's not easy, you know. We're supposed to be in our beds, sleeping, you know. This is the weekend. We're supposed to be relaxing after a long week of hard labor. You know, it is so ironic here that the snow has made us completely lose track of direction. Like I don't know where we are facing, where we are. We're just somewhere.
This is zombie apocalypse.
Existing. Because tell me how this way is to London Airport when the last time I remember we were facing south.
Masonville.
That's towards Masonville side. But like last time I remember we were facing south or something. But now we're somehow heading towards the airport. Just parked in a disabled person's parking spot. He said he doesn't know what. Anyways, guys, he has gone to get the food now. So here's the twist for today. So basically, you know, you all know like the highest tip decides what we get for dinner. But we are not getting to choose what we're going to be eating or what we're going to be buying with our highest tip. We're going to have to message some of our friends. I've not told Martins yet, but we're going to have to message some of our friends and then they get to choose what we are gonna eat. For example, if our highest tip is, let's say, $10 or $5, and then they choose a 5-star restaurant, we are going to have to go to the 5-star restaurant. and buy something there, even though we end up coming out with like a bottle of water and maybe serviettes. But yeah, so our friends are going to have to pick what we are going to eat. They shall show us no mercy. We're probably just going to ask like 2, 3, or maybe 3 or 4 people, and then just like, yeah. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. You guys,
Great Canadian babe.
these guys ordered Coca-Cola, like bottle of Coke. How ironic. But yeah, let's go pick up, deliver something. Train I decided to stop also. So guys, we're at the 2 hours mark. It's been 2 hours since we started. About to make a delivery. The weirdest buildings I've been to. Their doors are labeled in numbers. 4A, 4Q. So weird. Oh yeah, we delivered. Come through. Back into the thick snow I go. Where's Martins? Oh, there is my ride.
So far, our tips have not been looking good. It's been looking peasanty.
It's not peasant.
So,
I swear if we continue like this, we'll end up eating toothpicks for like before
precisely. So, I've come up with a way to try to boost our tips. And this is using sticky notes. So we're going to write on this. We're going to write messages for them, prompting them to hopefully give us more tips. That's the plan.
So guys, we're coming up with things to tell our, should we call them our customers now? Anyways, you guys should comment in the,
We're currently in the middle of delivering an order, but our batteries are about to die. For some reason, our charger stopped working. So, just documenting this in case we mistakenly go home.
wait. The door is open. The door is open. The door is open. Others up.
Hey guys, it's been about 5 hours since we started. It's currently 7:19.
5 long hours. I am tired. Jesus.
I'm fatigued.
You guys, breaking transmission. It's like almost 11 p.m. now. Somebody just tipped us $5 here. What do you have to say? By the way, it was me that made the delivery. Are you jealous? You want some? Yep. As you can see, we leave the highway. We're going to go and deliver food. I don't know how somebody orders food from another city. I think.
Well, let's see. Could be fun.
There's nothing funny about this. I already want to drive. How will it not be fun?
You've only been driving for a measly 12 minutes. Just
12 minutes. Last time I was driving for just 1 hour. Now I'm driving. You're a madman. I've been driving since what? Since like 5 or something.
let's just keep going.
Any problem about this? Is there a truck stop there?
I think, yeah.
That truck skid off the road.
I think
Can
it
somebody
did.
call police or something? Because I don't know what's going on. So I really don't know.
So, as you can see, the weather is putting trailers in despair.
Shall I follow the slope
But your boys.
Sika.
Oh shit.
Fuck. I think it's the trailer. The guy probably did not see the trailer and was like, oh shit. Fuck. Oh fuck. See you back up.
Your Uber Eats drivers, the favorite ones you have, are delivering food to you at all costs.
Make sure you drive safe in the winter, guys. Do not speed. Stop speeding.
Drive safe. It's a madness happening out here. Sydney just left to deliver his food. It's about 12. We're almost there. So I waited for this time to actually lock him out. Same thing he did to me. That's what I'm going to do to him. So yeah. About to prove to him that the first person to do it, it's very enjoyable for them. The last one enjoys it more. How can I help you? Beg. 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 Say please. Say please.
It's cool.
That's not please. Say please. Please, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir, open the door. Please, sir. Please, sir. That's all you have to say. Please, sir, open the door. I have wronged you. I have wronged you. I have wronged you. Guys, it's currently 2:10 a.m. We're about to take our last order. Guys, we're finally done. It's 2:40 a.m. Just made our last order.
Just dropped the last
So now we have to figure out where we need to eat.
Oh yeah.
What we are going to eat.
Ding ding ding. We are actually not people right. So yeah guys, like I said, we are going to text our friends and then they get people right. Oh yeah, just to tell you guys, our highest tip was $12 something. $12 anyway. So yeah, we are going to have to go and buy food worth $12. So yeah,
talking, I'm hungry.
Anyways, so we're doing this challenge here where we do buy it for 12 hours, blah blah blah. But anyways, you are getting to pick where we're going to spend our highest tip.
You have the honor.
You have the honor of picking where we're, so pick a place where you think we should spend our highest tip. I'm not going to tell you how much it is, so you don't use it to trap us. But yeah,
Where do you want to go?
it's not so high. We're 2 people. You said? Filet? A meal in Chick-fil-A is what? It's like $15. Chick-fil-A? Not like Tim Hortons or something. I'd bet. Hi. Why do you sound like you're sleeping?
I was, but now I'm awake.
Okay. Anyways, I need a favor. So basically we're doing this 12-hour challenge where we do buys for 12 hours and then you are the lucky person that gets to pick where we're going to eat. So pick some restaurants you think you like, or you think we should spend our
Say
largest tip?
KFC.
I used to be.
KFC.
Chick-fil-A.
Why do you all like Chick-fil-A? What? Wait. You realize we're spending our largest tip. We're not spending any money. Our largest tip. Pity our pockets.
Yeah, well, why would I do that though? Think about it.
It's fine. No
Why
wahala.
not have service?
Guys, we made it to Chick-fil-A. We're finally going to eat something.
$12. What do you buy? You buy the burger meal. Spicy chicken burger meal. How much is it? $12.49. Guys, we're going to have to cheat because there's really nothing we can get. I don't know, Coke, Sprite. Yeah. Other food that we're going to use. So guys, we are heading back home now. We've gotten our $12 meal from Chick-fil-A. So after all the suffering that we suffered today, we went all the way to another city. The highest tip is $12.
12 hours. 12 full hours. $12.
12 hours. 12 hours. $12.
$1 for every hour.
It's fine.
That's the Canadian dream.
It's fine. Anyways, yeah, so I guess we just head on now and eat our burger and fries. This is not for divide yes.
The price.
After 12 hours of hard work,
The price.
that's what we get.
The price.
Okay. Anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. Can you put that food down?
No. You need to see the price.
Continue. I'm just going to let you continue for the next 5 minutes. I'm not ending. When you're ready, put it down. Anyways, yeah, guys. What am I ending the video now?
Anyway, guys. How do you end the video?
Hope you guys like this.
Big man, my mind can't think anymore.
Look,
Like,
this brother is ordinary because of
I can't
small
think.
hunger. My guy doesn't know anything anymore. Anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. You know the usual. Thumbs up,
Like, subscribe.
turn on post notifications. Yeah, tell us if it was worth 12 hours of our lives doing Uber. Well, I'm glad we made people happy because there are a lot of smiles on some people's faces after all of that. But yeah,
Someone loved our notes so much, they gave us $12 for one delivery.
And the woman that made us come to another city was like, she was like, oh, I didn't know you guys were actually going to make it. Of course we did. That's what the superhero is. But yeah, thank you guys so much for the support so far. It's been
Crazy.
yeah. We just keep giving you guys good content and all of that. Yeah, but just to brag, guys.
Love, peace, and
See you
guidance.
next time.